Thank you so much for coming today. It's a very special day for Sri Ram Global School, Whitefield, because today we are going to launch Tatyam 2025 AI Come Nature. That is a concept of our annual day. Continuing with that, we are going to open a fine arts college for the students and for the public. I think so, India's first college ever, diploma and degree provision for the school students, where the parents can also come. It's a 12-acre beautiful campus exclusively designed for sports and fine arts. So today we have done our launch in the morning and evening program also. We are going to announce this to our parents and to the public. We have our academic head, Ms. Momitha.
We believe in holistic learning of the students as an academic head. We believe along with the academic results, we also focus on holistic learning as in fine arts, sports, culture, everything. Our mission is to bring overall improvement in a child.
Only CBSE and state also?
No, we have PU, yes. We have PU college, we have CBSE, and we are also, we will be bringing in IB curriculum. So,
yeah, it's basically open to everybody, any age category, children or public. Anybody have a right to learn. Learning is unavoidable in our life. We strongly believe in that. So along with the children, if elders also get an opportunity to get the diploma and degree certificate in sports and fine arts, it's an amazing journey. And this is not only for our children. We request all the school owners, we are not a competitor for sure. This is going to develop our business all together and develop our students' knowledge and creativity together. So I feel SRGS is going to become a mother hub for all the schools, and for all the public it's going to be a golden opportunity. Stay tuned. From January the session is going to begin. Whomever would like to enroll, please connect with SRGS Whitefield. For sure you will get all the details.
How many of them have enrolled so far?
So far we got 178 students enrolled from different schools. Even we haven't even launched, we just started announcing. In future we are looking for 2,500 students. And then the speciality is we have a hybrid and residential school option. Hybrid in the sense Monday to Friday, students can stay here and learn something, and weekend they can go. Otherwise they can come in the weekend, stay here in the hostel and they can learn. And this is open for all age categories. In this beautiful 12 acres, we have segregated the space for the parents' accommodation and for the learners' accommodation and students' accommodation as well. Any school can have a collaboration activity with SRGS Whitefield, and then they can develop their own school also. It is not about branding one brand, and together India would like to shine and we would like to be a part of it. The chairman, Mr. Balakrishna, is very clear about one thing: happy schooling. So when children come to the school, they always look for an option, especially in Bangalore traffic. If you see, after reaching home, they will be searching for dance class, music class, swimming class, and students are becoming tired. Why not we bring everything in one campus? Okay, they can study in the different school wherever they want, but then they come to one campus, one platform, sports, fine arts, everything they can learn together. That's how we thought it should be open for everybody, not only for kids, even for the public. We have merged horticulture as one of the subjects with science. So weekly thrice students will be having a horticulture session, and already we have finished one harvesting also successfully, where students begin early morning, and then they come to the field along with the science teachers. They do all practice work, and then they themselves will write about it in their exams. So exams become very easy now, and it is about more practical learning now. And we have our English HOD, Ms. Juma Datta, and she also a part of curriculum designing. She is going to play a very important role in SRGS in terms of Fine Arts Academy, or for horticulture, or for sports academy.
You can see, you can explore horticulture. I believe this is one of its kind, and the students are able to harness this talent on their own, where we eat. What we eat, what we are bringing on the plate, we do not know. But here, when they are growing basil leaves, or some chilies or some tomatoes, and they are preparing it at home, it comes straight from here to their plate. It is absolutely a delight, not only for them. So there are two skills they are harnessing. One is, they are growing their own stuff, And the second thing is they are learning how to take care of the kitchen. It's no more the lady's job anymore. So we are training that too. So yes.
Thank you.
So your concept is all the students have to undergo all this.
It's optional, sir. For example, as a learner, if I have interested towards only classical dance, they can have diploma course only in dance. Or I would like to have keyboard and dance, it's up to me. Anything they can choose. And already we have tied up with more than 120 play schools, and upcoming days we are looking for more schools, so that the small schools, those who are actually looking for the wide open opportunity for their parents and the kids, obviously they can approach SRGS.